wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've got a package here of some new Rare Beauty launches, so I'm going to try them out in today's video, let you know my thoughts, but also we're going to talk about it because I was like, of all brands that I would expect to see people upset about, this isn't one of them, so I'll let you know why Rare Beauty has the girls upset. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, I got this package in the mail from Rare Beauty. First of all, Ms. Gomez, how come I ain't get no earrings? Hold on. Come on, don't do this. Ain't no earrings in there. Okay. I told you, I think I've mentioned all of these launches in either Let's Talk New Videos or somehow, right? So these are the new, can you see that? Positive Light Silky Touch highlighters. This is a Positive Light Precision brush to use with them. They came out with Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. And I don't think this is new, is it? A lip souffle matte lip cream. So I'm gonna start with the brightener because I already have foundation on. Okay, so this retails for $24, comes in 6 shades. They sent me the shade medium deep. If you caught my vlog, I told you guys that they probably made the best decision there. And it says it's a super lightweight liquid that visibly brightens, hydrates, and awakens under eyes with sheer flexible coverage for a fresh look in a flash. Coverage is light, finish is radiant, formulation is liquid. This no makeup essential visibly reduces dark circles and discoloration for a fresh look fast. Available in an array of flexible shades, the ultra fluid formula makes blending quick and seamless while soothing skin on contact. It also lasts all day, won't crease, cake, or settle into fine lines. Let me just see how they say how to use it, because I did see people saying that they tried it and it was better off if you blend it with your fingers, and I do not like blending makeup with my fingers. Let's see. Suggested usage: wear alone for a fresh, wide look. Lay over your go-to concealer for an extra brightness effect. Using the cool tip metal applicator, apply 2 to 4 dots to your under eye area, then tap to blend using your fingertip or a brush. Repeat as needed for desired coverage. Okay, so actually, I'll go grab a concealer that I actually, because then it's gonna look really different. I'm gonna try this today and see how it looks, and then I'll try it on top of concealer to see if that does anything different. So this is what the product looks like. And oh, it did say metal applicator. Okay, it really is a metal applicator. I don't think I've ever seen that before. And I guess, child, I'll blend it with my fingers. I don't know if I like this metal applicator. That is what it looks like on my face. I'm gonna give it a little once over with the sponge, I can't help it. Back to the highlighters. I don't know which one is which. Let me pull up the page. Oh, okay, all 4 shades are sold out. Okay, so let me pick up this shade because I don't like swatching things I know I'm not going to use because I can just give it away to someone who does want to use it. So I will use one shade and swatch that one. So this is the Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter. This retails for $25. Dual hairs, comes in 4 shades. An innovative powder highlight that gives skin an instant glass-like sheen for an easy, natural looking glow that lasts. Get the glass-like glow of a liquid highlighter in an easy, compact, unexpectedly smooth, airy, and talc-free. This unique semi-sheer base is packed with micro shimmers that sink your skin to enhance a range of skin tones. It's also transfer-proof, smudge-proof, and water-resistant to keep you gleaming all day. So it looks like this. This is the shade Flaunt. It looks like this. So I'm gonna get the brush that came with it. This is the Positive Light Precision brush. I literally cannot remember the last time I put highlighter on. So let's just, you know, get a little dab on the brush. Okay. So highlighter. But see, that's why I stopped wearing highlighter, because I feel like highlighter, mind you, it was very little. No highlighter, like the way light naturally hits your face. But you know what? We here. She's cute, you know, she's doing a little something. I don't see it for me going back to wearing highlighter. But if I swatch it, okay, oh, okay, it looks pigment on the finger. She is pretty. So if you're about that highlighter life, she is a very ooh, that's actually, it's cute there. I might have to put some more on my face. But the swatch. Okay, so this is my face thoughts on the two new products that I just tried. The Brightener, I think it did a little something, you know, it's a little, I woke up a little bit after I tried it on. The shade is just, you know, I usually use a little bit lighter of a shade for concealer. Using it as is, I think it would be nice if you use it for like a everyday, I mean, they did emphasize the word fast, like quick, on the go. You just want to have something so you know, it looks like you woke up for the day. Or if you just naturally wear your makeup that way, you know, very casual, very, again, no makeup look, then you would like it. I will try it out to see on top of the normal concealer that I wear to see how it looks, but I like it so far. We're gonna keep playing around with it. The highlighter, I liked it. It's swatched very beautifully. That was a very beautiful shade. You know, it's nice on the face. Am I gonna go back to wearing highlighter? I probably will not, but you know, that might also make a nice like eyeshadow lid color. We'll see, but I like them. Like I said, most of the time Rare Beauty does not really miss for me. You know, at that point it's just, you have to like that specific type of product, and for me, I don't really care for highlighter that much anymore. Now to tell you guys why people are upset, the irony in that, right? So Rare Beauty put out a notice that says, Rare Beauty, starting January 1st, 2023, our prices will slightly increase. In the spirit of transparency, the cost of creating our high-quality, feel-good formulas has gone up with growing inflation and rising costs of premium ingredients, as well as transportation across our supply chain. We've adjusted our prices in order to continue to provide you with the quality you've come to know and love. All Rare Beauty makeup products will still remain $30 and under. We appreciate you understanding and hope you continue to enjoy all things Rare Beauty. Thank you so much for being a part of our community. With gratitude, the Rare Beauty team. That is why the girlies are upset, because Rare Beauty announced that they are increasing their prices. If you've been paying attention, most makeup brands have increased prices, especially in the last few years since quarantine. But even before then, you know, Elf definitely costs a little bit more than it used to back then. NYX Cosmetics, and then, you know, you look at higher end brands, like everyone has been increasing their, because inflation, hello. What's crazy to me is like the backlash I be seeing when people are upset that people are raising their prices. Like, y'all remember when ColourPop was raising their prices by like 25 cents? Like, I think those ultra matte, the liquid lipsticks, you know, the ones that really put ColourPop on, used to be like $6.25. And then they announced that they were gonna be $6.50. I don't know if y'all remember that, but they literally started a boycott because of that. Boycott ColourPop because they raised their prices 25 cents. And that is why it will always sound crazy to me when people say things like, well, so-and-so should have started their business out at a reasonable price, and then if they want to be high-end later, if they want to raise their prices $20, $30 later, once they've established themselves, that's when they should do that. That's not how this works. Because, hello, they were mad over a quarter. You can't raise your prices a quarter without people getting upset. Like, I remember Laura Mercier, the powder, I feel like that thing used to be like $35. Now it's like $39, you know, $4, but I would still buy it. But I do notice even little changes like that, little, you know, a quarter increase, $4, things have raised, you know, $1, $2, stuff like that. You notice brands do not raise their prices from the powder being $35 to $56. You're just not gonna, baby, I wouldn't buy it. Letting you know right now, do I like it? Yes, I do. Would I buy it? No, I would not. If you can't do that. That's not how business works. But the little increases, like when people get that upset over it, I'm like, okay. But what's funny is because you'll see that, and then people will also be talking about people making living wages. But I don't know if you noticed in that announcement, it did say all of their products are still going to remain under $30. So the fact that I see people saying like boycott the blushes, because y'all know I love me them Rare Beauty blushes, the liquid ones. Like really? Now I haven't looked at the prices to notice, since we're on what, January 18th at this point, to notice any difference in the prices, but you know, sometimes I think the girlies just be wanting something to say. Cause like, what? Okay. But now granted, everyone's wallet is everyone's wallet. Spend your money on what you want to spend it on. Don't spend it on what you don't want to spend it on. But I just want to ask, like, is this really something worth getting upset over? Also because, like, at the end of the day, none of this is a necessity. You do not need their liquid blush. You need food. Now, I feel some type of way about eggs being $8. I need food, but you're not gonna eat blush. So again, is it really worth like making videos about it, in the comments upset about it, talking about boycott? Like, be for real. You gonna boycott a makeup company because they, you know, but it ain't none of my business. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing me tested out these new things has helped and you think of checking them out for yourself. And let me know what you think about the price increase on Rare Beauty. If you feel some type of way, if you don't care, if you didn't notice, let me know all of that down below. I mean, and also, like, as long as Rare Beauty's been open so far, I think they launched what, 2019, 20. If this is the only thing that you can say that's bad about them, keep doing you, Rare Beauty. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.